Hi, I'm here to talk a bit about Atheer. We are kind of doing things a bit differently. I'll give you a couple of points and then go into a video that shows where we are right now. Mainly, we are even though we have a full platform from the ground up, and I'll go into the details, we're very software and experience focused. So the user interaction and those qualities. And the second thing that I would like you to keep in mind is that we're very enterprise focused also. And this will be clear. So where is Atheer right now helping the world reimagine their work? Do I need to click again? Sorry. Play. How do I press here? Hi, can you play the video, please? Spacebar. Basically, what we're doing at Atheer is that we have this system that comprises of the glasses with the OS and the OS, our OS, gives you a full 3D experience, both in display and interaction. If you want to interact with a certain object, you can just reach out and touch it. It's sub-millimeter accuracy. Of course, there's also voice control and motion control to give a full experience. Basically, the idea is that if you would like to say a command, you should be able to do that. If you would want to nod your head to affirm something, you should be able to do that. If you want to swipe something away, you should be able to do that. And we give all of this power, we package it in an enterprise-focused and workflow-focused way so that people can be more efficient at their work. They can be less prone to error. And you can think about from medical to oil and gas to insurance, where they're inspecting all of these objects. And you have to go through and be very, very rigorous. And the system is there. OK, I guess we're going to have to skip this. Sorry, it's a great demo. You can see it at the booth, at least part of it. And the cool thing about this is that when we actually show this video, most people think that it's fake, that the experience is faked. And we're very happy that it's not. So what are the different aspects of our platform? The first is the display. So we have a high definition, high field of view display. Currently, our dev kit is around 40 degrees field of view. Our system which will come out in a few months, around the end of the year, will be 50 to 60 degrees field of view. So very HD, very high field of view. The second part is the natural interaction. And we don't just mean gestures by that. Again, we mean a holistic experience that allows you to do what you want. It makes the computer cater to you and what you want. The third thing is that our system has been built from the ground up to be mobile. We believe that being tethered to a wall or something severely limits the functionality. And that's why instead of going to a PC paradigm, we started from the ground up with a mobile paradigm. And we integrated with existing mobile ecosystems so that we can create a very rapid development. So our partners and customers, usually the first thing that we do is that we get their Android app and it runs unchanged on the glasses, and they can use it and everything. And then they say, OK, how can we improve the worker's experience or the user's experience? And they start modifying it just as they would modify any Android system. You don't need any new expertise. And we added all of these shortcuts that are very handy in the glasses world. So you can do just gestures. You can do something like this to take a picture. You can define your own gestures that mean certain things just to make everything quick. And of course, you can integrate head motion and voice integration very, very seamlessly. And the last thing is our enterprise-ready solution, which I'll talk about a bit more here. So basically, other than, this doesn't have laser, other than the hardware that is mobile focused and our OS and SDK, we have created an enterprise ready solution that helps workforces refine and streamline their workflows. So it comprises of an operations and control center. This is the manager. They are sitting on their desk. They are managing a whole fleet of workers. They want to take notes from different or capture video or images from different points in the field. They want to support some of the team members. And they can do all of that seamlessly using our Airflow application on the devices themselves. And currently, our engagements with our customers are very focused on workflow. We're working with a large number of large companies. I think I can name a few here. These are the public. Many relationships are not. Dassault, which is the world leader, the biggest company in almost everything 3D and design. And you can see how naturally having 3D augmented glasses fits a lot in their model. Fittery Energy creates solutions for oil and gas and energy companies. So how can we make them safer, more cost efficient, and people do their job quickly? And Hodeitak is a medical device company that is creating solutions for doctors and surgeons. And we found that using our system actually benefits people a lot in their workforce. In oil and gas, people can do their work much, much faster. And in critical times, it can save them a lot of money. If something goes down and you want to ramp it up very quickly, the costs there can be huge. In surgery and healthcare, of course, the value is unmeasurable if you're saving somebody's life because you allow an expert to support somebody who's on the field. And insurance and construction, instead of having a very huge workforce, you can have your agents be focused and you leverage them because now anyone from the mechanic to the people on site can do the inspections and they can have basically the expert looking from their point of view. So just a quick summary on where we are, where we're going. What we have is this full AR, we call it Augmented Interactive Reality System that is entirely mobile and enterprise focused. We aim to give the smoothest, most seamless experiences in the workforce so that people can be more efficient and do their work more safely. And we have a large number of pilots going with Fortune 500 companies, and the big thing will be around the end of this year when we launch our product, and that will be in even much larger numbers. But currently our pilot program is still open. We're kind of limited on devices. We're running out. And that's it. Any questions? Any answers?
You also should try and go to the expo. You have
Yes, we do have a booth, and you can try see the whole experience. There is one question there. Yes, the SDK is available, and it's online. Currently, if you just want to play around with it, we kind of help people to do that. But we usually give it to our customers, our large companies, and we support them building all of these systems. But yeah, it's available online as part of the developer program. Okay?
I think we're going to
Thank you.
bring up next